I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying the source device that will share Wi-Fi over Ethernet. Make sure its Wi-Fi is connected and the Ethernet port functions. Next, plug a Cat5e or Cat6 cable between the source and target device. This gives a stable, wired path. On the source device, open Network Settings and locate Internet Connection Sharing or Adapter Bridging. Enable it. This tells the system to forward Wi-Fi traffic to the Ethernet interface, so the downstream device can use the Internet immediately. Once the cable is connected, configure sharing details so packets route correctly. If you prefer automatic addressing, set the Ethernet adapter to DHCP. Otherwise, assign a static IP in the same subnet as the host. On Windows, open Network Connections, right-click the Wi-Fi adapter, pick Properties, then Sharing, select the Ethernet adapter to share with. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences, Sharing, enable Internet sharing from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. These steps ensure the target device receives an IP and default gateway. Finish by verifying connectivity on the client device. Open a browser or run a ping to 8 to confirm routing works. If it fails, systematically check LED indicators on the Ethernet jack and cable, confirm the source's firewall isn't blocking sharing, and ensure DHCP or static IP values match the host network. If you still see issues, disable and re-enable sharing or create a network bridge between adapters. That single troubleshooting step, checking firewall and DHCP, usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.